So today we will do the decibel testing under our companies. Okay, so now I will start to open the robot to cutting these grasses. It's kind of high, right? Okay, so now let's start to cutting the grass. So because it's raining, the grass has a little bit slip. As you can see, the decibel level of the robot while working is around 65 decibels, which is very ideal. It ensures that even when the robot is working in your yard, it won't disrupt your daily life. We hope this briefly decibel test to give you a clear understanding of our robot's performance in real use. We are committed to providing efficient and user-friendly products to make your life more convenient. So thank you for watching. If you have any question or need more information, please visit our website or contact with us. So now, goodbye.